Hey, lovely people. So, lots of people think that family planning is very, very important. So, otherwise, we won't be able to survive. There will be no food. So, I don't think so. I don't want too many children, but I don't like limitation. So let's go for birth control. One child in a home. Still one day the earth will fill up with people. Then what would you do? Would you kill people? So what will happen eventually on the earth? Our Creator knows better. We are unable to prophesy with our limited intellect. So Mahatma Gandhi, if his father had gone for birth control, we wouldn't have gained independence. So we can't predict which child is gonna be genius. And guys, I trust on my Creator like a independent bird. They don't save for tomorrow. So indeed, it is Allah who is the provider.